Here is the list of the types of performance tests covered in the previous illustration. Items in blue font relate specifically to cloud environments built using automation, such as the threshold to begin scale-out. The faster we can ramp up to that optimal rate, the less we have to pay. The same can be said about ramping down. Being able to tune systems is where performance engineering efforts really pay off. Having additional instances for testing performance and failover is a game changer because it allows simultaneous parallel streams of work to conduct stress tests. Environments need to be otherwise quiet to properly measure memory usage during performance tests. A system is really not usable while it's purposely being brought to the point of degradation. Having automation and alerting allows us to be quicker at implementing stopgap measures such as rebooting servers to reclaim memory. Rebooting is not the ideal situation, but it buys us time to focus on root issues. A comprehensive set of tests in each environment is what makes automatic and fast deployments doable. But people in operations who protect the production environment are usually skeptical. So I think smoke tests that include performance testing can have a more important role than many may realize. We know that rendering judgment about pass-fail too early in the development cycle can stifle innovation and experimentation. But I'd like to propose a metric that makes use of smoke test results. In the medical community, the infant mortality rate refers to deaths of live-born babies within the first year of life. They are measured in terms of every 1,000 live births as a proxy measure of the quality of healthcare within the country. For example, the U.S. has, over time, improved infant mortality, but at a slower rate than other developed countries. The equivalent metric for computer systems would be improvements in failures during smoke tests per 1,000 deploy attempts in staging. Would you agree with the statement that the staging environment is not a playground, and that issues in staging should have been identified in lower-level environments? Many operations people don't expect or even tolerate issues in staging. But many developers think differently, and that may cause conflict and distrust. So should discovery of performance issues and tuning occur in staging? Being able to spin up duplicate environments in the cloud would help us avoid using staging as a playground. What do you think? Would tracking this metric reduce concerns in operations people who protect their production environment? Would it reduce distrust by providing factual history? Leave a comment below. Let's have a discussion about this.